Jesus returned to Galilee in the power of the Spirit. And news about him spread through the whole countryside.
And on the Sabbath he went as usual to the synagogue. And was called upon to read a portion of the prophet Isaiah.
Isn't that Joseph's son? Yes, it is. Be silent.
The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, because he has chosen me to bring good news to the poor. He has sent me to proclaim release to the captives and recovery of sight to the blind, to set at liberty those who are oppressed, and announce that the time has come when the Lord will save his people.
He speaks.
This passage of Scripture has come true today, as you heard it being read.
All spoke well of him and were amazed at the gracious words that came from his lips.